Alrighty, what's up, you guys? We're here with another video. So what we're gonna do today is work on the Ford. Just show it a little bit of love. What I've been wanting to do is install the original mirrors instead of these. I don't know what these are, VS. Cause I see a lot of trucks. I don't know if these are like the Ford Lightning ones, or I don't know. But I just don't like these mirrors. So what we're gonna do is take those off and put the original ones on. We're gonna put these right here. I have them in the box. I bought these from LMC Trucks. So if you ever interested in looking for truck parts or stuff like that, LMC Trucks has a lot of the old school parts that you're gonna need for your trucks and stuff like that. It comes with instructions, so I'm gonna follow the instructions how to do them. So I'm not gonna show you guys how to do it. I'll give you guys some tips if I notice anything ordinary or anything that I think will help you guys out. But other than that, it comes with the instructions, so it should be good. So I'm gonna be putting these on just to look more original. Yeah, because I just don't like this look. So let's get started to it. Let's get started on it, and then I'll show you guys after once it's done how it looks with the other ones. All right, y'all. So just a quick tip: if you happen to have these mirrors that somebody put on your truck, I've been struggling with it for the past few minutes, almost an hour, and I finally figured it out. So it doesn't just hold on with these two screws. As you can see, there's another one down here. It actually has a screw right in the middle that goes behind the door to make it more secure. So in order to get to that screw, you gotta remove this door panel. See where I'm looking at? You gotta remove this door panel. It's behind it, somewhere like over here. I don't think you're gonna be able to see it because of my bad lighting. But it's basically right where my finger's at, right here. It's like some hex bolt or something. So you gotta remove that in order for it to come off. Other than that, it's not gonna come off. And I realized that it's gonna have some ugly holes left behind there. I'm gonna have to patch up, man, unfortunately. But it is what it is. I mean, I have to do body work on it anyway, so I'm gonna just do it. But just that's a quick tip, guys. All right, guys, look. This is the bolt that's holding it together. So it's behind this door panel, right above the handle. To put the window up, sorry. And then after this, I think it should just come off. Yep. This is a huge one. Yep, there you go. Oh man. I was gonna say I don't know what people were thinking back in the day when they changed trucks like this, but I mean, I guess it was a different era, right? People like different things, but anyways, I gotta find a way now to patch this damn hole, man. So I guess it'll be a good practice to learn how to weld. Maybe weld a piece of metal back on there, or maybe just some fiberglass and some Bondo or something. I'll figure it out. But anyways, that's how you get these off, man. And to install the new ones, it's fairly simple. Like I said, there's instructions. It goes somewhere up here. It might even connect to these two holes down here and the other bar over here. So let's get to that. All right, you guys, so I finally got the passenger mirror off. This thing was a headache, man. Little simple project that I thought I was gonna do in about an hour turned into 2-3 hours just trying to figure out how to get these mirrors off. So I was able to take off the screw on the right side of the mirror, but I couldn't take this one off. Like, I don't know if it was stripped, but I think there's something in the back holding it. Maybe like a washer or something, or whatever those things are called, a bolt, nut, the nut. But I guess it was probably spinning back there, and there's no way that I couldn't figure out how to get behind it. I took the door panel off and I still couldn't figure it out. So what I ended up doing is I just ended up using my electric sawzall, whatever that thing's called, and I just pretty much cut it. Because I was trying to grind it out here, but it was taking way too long. It was just not budging. Maybe I didn't have the right drill bit. So I ended up doing that. So I did damage my door, as you can see a little bit. Sorry. But actually it didn't damage it that much. I damaged it up here too. So I'm gonna have to spray paint a little bit, put some Bondo. I mean, it's already rough as it is. I spray painted over this in the past too, so. I took off, I was able to take off the bolt that's holding on the actual mirror up here. There you go. These things are a pain, man. Never thought they would be that hard to take off. Well, anyways, hopefully my mistakes can help someone else. I guess it's not too bad, honestly. This should be fine. Pretty much just showing you guys how to remove those because they ended up turning into a long video. So in the next video, I'll show you guys how it looks on the truck once I figure out how I'm gonna patch these up or what to do about them. Well, thanks guys. Hopefully this video helped somebody out there. If it did help you out, leave a like. I would appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, guys. Alrighty, y'all. So basically, this is the screws that it comes with for the mirrors. Like some little like anchors, and the bolt goes into that. So basically, what you have to do is this centerpiece. Basically, so you see this little part from this window that has to line up in the center of this part right here. I was gonna put it back here. That's why you see those little black dots. But because I already have holes in the bottom, and I don't want to make more holes. But then I was like, you know what? Let me just put it where it belongs because I have a bunch of holes anyways. I'm gonna have to do some type of repair here regardless. So let me just do them the right way. So that's what I'm doing. So basically you make the holes, the hole that you need to make is 11 and 32 inch. I couldn't find that size in my tools that I had. So I ended up using the closest one, which was this one, but it didn't quite fit. So I had to make it a little bit more bigger. So I kind of just went a little bit extra with the drill until it widened the hole enough so I could put these in there. And I just kind of hammered them in a little bit. And then after that, once you have that, you basically put this screw that it comes with. You put the little screw, the little bolt, and there's some like little washer thing. So you put that and you put it in here. And then I'm gonna have to use 2 hands, so I'm not gonna be able to show you guys. But basically, after you grab the little nut with this thing, and then with the other one, then you gotta tighten the actual bolt with the other one, and that kind of expands it in place, so that way it could kind of be stuck in there and it won't move. So so you basically do that in all 4, and go all around and do it on all 4, and then you install the mirror after with these bolts that it comes with, those 4. So pretty straightforward. It's not too hard, not too difficult. Before that, these are the little gaskets that it comes with as well. Alright guys, quick tip. So these 2 up here came out pretty good. They're pretty sturdy. But this one too is pretty sturdy, but this one I kind of messed up. So as you can see, it kind of turns in there. I tried tightening it as much as I can, but it just doesn't widen up enough. So what I messed up is that I used the drill bit a little too long. Because once it made the hole, I continued going and I was kind of wobbling it to try to make it bigger. Because at first this thing wasn't fitting in, didn't want to go in after trying to hit it with the little mallet. So I kind of did a little too big. I mean, it's still fine. It's not going to come off. It's stuck in there, but it just kind of see how it moves. But I mean, the mirror should hold on with these 3. It shouldn't be an issue. But just FYI for you guys, make sure you don't do the hole too big. Try to squeeze this thing in there instead of making the hole too big. Alrighty, so there it is. I got it installed already. So although this bottom bolt didn't really work, it's still pretty sturdy. You can still turn it, you can see. So it's still good. So it wasn't too difficult, pretty simple job. Just kind of removing the old one was kind of a headache for me. But hopefully my tips helped you guys out and you guys are able to do it a little better with no issues. I like the look better, especially the look that I'm going for on this truck. I just feel like it gives it more of a classic look. as opposed to the other aftermarket ones. Let me know what you guys think. Are you guys a fan of these type of mirrors? I feel like the ones that I had remind me of like Dumbo ears. So I just didn't like it. But anyways, let me know what you guys think. You guys like the aftermarket ones from the newer Fords, or you guys like these classic original look mirrors? Alrighty, y'all. Well, thanks for watching. I appreciate the support. Stay tuned. There's more videos are going to be coming out. Catch you guys in the next one.